Actually, guys, you know what? Let's just duel between the council and the resistance. I've been hearing about this, the council and the resistance thingy. So, I tried to join the council, but then I quit and joined the resistance instead. But let's just duel for 1 year, 2026 to 2027, and whoever wins, yeah, that's the winner. And there can be peace for eternity. I'm going to just waste your time and just not talk until until it's just 1 minute.